Come on then, Shirley. Dan's taking centre stage today.
What? Am I? Do you want to take centre?
No, you can carry on, mate.
Okay, take on. I'm not throwing here.
Go on then.
What?
Go on then.
What do you want me to say?
Just be natural.
Fine. So we're out today. Well, I would say fishing. We've been challenged, haven't we?
You're always challenged.
Well, that's it. You're doing it. Go on, you. See?
Right, out today in right. Right, we're out today in Derby. Got a few people come to meet us. We were set a challenge by somebody, so, well, you know us, we couldn't resist. So here we are. We've got Dan, we've got Shirley.
We sort of turned into a fishing meet.
Yeah, that's it. A few people turning up, but let's see how we get on here. And you never know.
Okay.
Raking it in. Got a bracket and bike chain, so we know what the rest of it is. Bit of old pipe, a bit more of the rim. I'm rimming it, bit at a time. Hey. Hey. Bit of scaff bar. Could have directed someone. Old road sign. Dan, do you want to be on telly again?
It could have directed someone.
I'm leaving that in. I did want to warn you, Brett, but he said no, I'm savage, let him come.
Nice day out for the family.
You've had a bad name for ages, Dan.
Hey, I hope that. I've just seen comedy to I had someone message me, turn around and say, without you being there, it's boring.
No, they didn't say it like that.
They did. What the hell is that?
That was a lock.
It's a whip.
It's my best find of the day.
There you go now.
There we go.
No, it's a whip.
You want whipping with it?
Okay.
It's a bite lock.
Oh, that'll hurt me. No.
Do you want whipping?
No, I'll pass. No, I don't want to be whipped.
He does. Team building. Told you, that's what it is. Not abuse, it's team building.
Hey, someone actually came out and then commented saying that they're going to sing.
What the hell?
That's a ship.
Looks like a ship farm, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Look, is there wood on it?
Yeah, it's wood and metal. It's like a spike.
That's a clean up, that.
No, Nigel don't clean anything up.
I don't get time to just bloody do that. I'll just give them to Dan.
Throw it my way, I'll clean it.
Come on, Dan. You can tell everyone about the Cornetto. Put your gloves on.
I know, it's so tight putting these on, man. Tight. Here we go. I showed them all up. First throw in. Got myself. I don't even know what that is. It's like a chisel of some sort. And the lucky horseshoe.
And I got that, which is like a metal spike with some old wood in there. So I don't know whether they just put that in there to ram them in the ground. I don't know, but Dan's going to take that back and give it a clean up. Why would you wrap all wool around a spoon? We've got a spoon wrapped up in wool for some reason. As you can see, it's rather burnt on the end, so we know what that's been used for. And that, which is a really old key. Bloody big key that is.
What the hell is that?
Don't know. Found that strange looking bracket of some description. Still got the bolts in it.
Brush. I have to speak loudly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Brush handle.
He's got a brush handle, he's trying to say.
Brush handle. Handle. Brush.
Using wireless microphone.
Yeah.
Last time, it was quite funny when it ended. There's Dan up there, look, he's having a bit of a panic moment because he's got his magnet stuck. Me and Steve are finding it quite amusing, but maybe that's just our warped sense of humour. Oh, look. See, look! So he's got it back. This is typical Dan. Panics about everything. It was that easy, look. Probably got something really good on there as well, hasn't it?
Another key. Not very good condition, is it?
Dan's on the keys. Eh?
That one I found was alright.
Still have no clue. I still have no clue.
That's our plugging chisel.
There we go. You can come and tell us all about your chisel, Dan.
I don't know. Shirley said he knows what it is.
It's a what?
Plug-in chisel.
Plug-in chisel.
You're not plugging. Here you go. You're the builder. You explain it.
Like the joint out.
There we go. Dan, you can tell everyone what it is now.
Shirley just said. It's a plug-in chisel. You put it in, you knock your joints out.
There we go. So you're all right when it comes to plug-in now?
I plug a lot of things.
Leave that one there, mate.
What? I'm going to plug my life. My life is now plugged.
Under here, yeah.
I've got a spanner. You want to clean that up as well?
No.
I'll keep that for a minute. Probably, yeah. I've got a wheel.
Pulley wheel.
It's a cartwheel.
Cartwheel? No, you want to be on that. It's not gone flat. So I've got a padlock. I've got an old pulley wheel. See where the belt goes in. There we go. So Shirley's just found this. There he is, look. Jack and Jones and Jay's fluid. That's nice, that is, mate. It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's in pretty good nick, to be honest with you. And it cleans.
Yeah.
Bonus.
Jay's fluid. Probably worth about 30 quid. People love them things, don't they?
Yeah.
Take the middle step.
Fine. So fall over, I get technical.
If you fall on me, you'll be fine.
Right.
Ready?
Jesus. What is this tank?
I don't know what it is, but it moved.
Right, round two. Let's go.
Yeah, I might go up here onto flat ground. And if I fall over, I ain't gonna land on steps.
Why did you just smack it?
We'll step over it then.
Wait, Nigel.
Yep. Ah.
Now, I don't want to give myself a chance to suck. Bring Steve down. Steve! Steve! Help!
You watch, it's going to be a big concrete block with my magnets gone round the place.
Not light. Ready?
Oh, we're going to watch you do it.
Don't we hold your camera?
No, we need you here.
Oh, you need me here.
It took three of us to literally put it in.
I'll go up another step.
Mate, it's not that. Okay, we need a lift it as well. Exactly what he said. It's exactly what you said.
What, a tree?
No, concrete.
Oh, God.
It's got to come out because your rope's up in that hook.
Oh, Dave. Can it not go away from the wall?
Or can't we just get my magnet on up?
There's a bar behind you, Dan.
Is
Yeah,
it?
get
Where's this bar behind it? The foot
Go,
it's
okay.
got that end.
Oh, of all the places to catch a lump of concrete.
Alright. Oh, shit. Okay, ready? Right. Jesus Christ.
Unbelievable. Hang on, let it go a minute. Is it staying there without, or is it going back down? Because I'll lean down and pick it up.
No, it's falling. Look, there, see?
It's going.
No, it's going.
No, it's going. Right.
Here we go again. Ah.
What? No, I'll keep the ground. I'll keep the hose.
Jesus, that's a big
No, there's a nook there, Shirley. Can you get on that hook?
Ready?
Right, let the rope go down.
Okay, let go.
There we go.
That's part of the bridge, isn't it?
Yeah. That's a big lump of concrete, that.
Hey, that was not heavy.
What a way to catch your magnet in it, eh?
I was hoping for something else, not that.
And scaffold tube always come in handy. They do.
Flip it out.
Here we have a Lodge spark plug.
I'm here.
Oh yeah, here we have a Lodge spark plug. I don't know the age of it, but you know, if you know what the age is, leave in the comments. What did you just point at me?
No,
What did you do?
flick the handle around your back. I'm
Start-
only joking.
Oh, come here.
No, we're not hugging. You have to earn that.
But no. There you go.
There we go. She's got a spark plug.
Yeah, most interested bits. Actually, no.
That'll give a brighter spark than you, wouldn't it? It's dangerous. You want to be careful with that.
You poke yourself.
You
on
could
that.
kill someone with that. Do that again.
Yes.
So here we have Brett from Magnetic Max. If he turns around, he'll look like a Duracell battery, but head over to his channel.
I am not turning around.
Look, black coat. Duracell coloured hair. Perfect.
Brett arrives. Look at that. Do you want to
It just
hold
gets
it?
worse.
It does. And there we have, hiding around there, we have Little Mac. Hello, mate.
Okay, don't tell.
There's Daniel. What you got again, Dan? Hang on, let's have a look.
Horseshoe number 2.
Ooh, don't come too close, I've zoomed in. There he is. Will it fit around your neck?
No,
No. Oh, what's a shame.
not around my wrist.
Bit of bling. Horseshoe bling.
Around your neck, I like that. It's a shame it ain't.
I've got rusty nuts and ginger nuts, look.
Oh, that's just typical.
Hey, don't swear, I can't use that now.
Tough.
It's rusty nuts and ginger nuts.
And there we go. Find of the day.
An iPhone.
An iPhone SE. Over the moon with that.
Does it still work?
No, it don't work.
Oh, that's a shame.
Come on, Shirley, bring your magnet. Show your magnets. Come on, boys.
I'll let Shirley show his.
Right.
I'll let Shirley just
So
go.
Shirley just pulled himself up a magnet.
Nah.
And then also,
That isn't a magnet, Shirley.
That's not.
That
and there's
is
Dan.
a magnet. Jesus.
He's pulled up a magnet as well, look.
It's a magnet. Probably the biggest magnet ever. It's a homemade magnet, definitely.
So it's two magnets from the same place.
No, I'm not getting it off.
The question is, what people losing the magnet?
So I've got a shock absorber off a motorbike. And it's hammer time.
Oh, it's got it, didn't it?
That's criminal damage out of it. We have an old mobile phone and a hard drive. Kenzie, go to your dad. Listen.
Any ideas?
That looks like a cover for a brake disc at the back, probably on a lorry.
I say it's quite heavy.
And it's quite colourful.
It's been painted a few times.
What, this? Come to me. Come to me. Left, left, left. My left, that is. My left.
Oh, that. My left. Okay, there.
Right, it's been a long day. Magnet and Matt, Rusty Nuts are heading that way. They're doing one more bridge. We're going to call it a day. Not been the best, not been wonderful finds. To be honest with you, Loughborough, Derby, waters are very clean.
It's off
Which
the
is not a
list
bad
now.
thing, but yeah, they're definitely off the list. But after last week, I think we got really spoiled, didn't we? But not to worry, but we'll catch you again on the next video.